Okay, I'm going to attempt to do a voiceover of this video. I don't typically do voiceovers. So I did this look a little while back already. I'm just now getting around to editing it. This look, it ended up becoming what it was just because I wanted to pull out a bunch of products that have been sitting in my collection that I've wanted to use and I just haven't. Some of those things are the original ABH Norvina palette, the Tati Beauty Textured Neutrals palette. I have this glitter from NYX. It's a kind of a large star-shaped glitter, a burgundy eyeliner, and one of these liquid eyeshadows. It's getting pretty old, so I pulled that out to just play with it. So I'm starting off with this nude color, and I'm just going to put that in the inner corner and on the brow bone. This shade has a little bit of a shimmer, but it doesn't show up all that much. And then I'm going to use the shade Love, and I'm putting this on the inner part of the transition area. And then I'm going to use a little bit of a smaller brush at the top to kind of soften the edge. And then I'm using the shade Soul. This is a really pretty shade that I don't have too many other dupes of in my collection. I want to use it in another look where it's more prominent, like more of the star of the show. And then I went with the shade Celestial to put on the outer crease. This is a really shimmery shade. It wasn't really the best choice to put there. I could have applied it a little bit more intensely there to get more color payoff out of it, but just being a shimmer, it didn't provide enough depth that I wanted. And then I'm using the shade Passion, kind of in a thick eyeliner shape, and then I kind of fade it upward with the brush, just tapping lightly. This took me a little while to kind of get it blended, but I kind of like this effect. And then I used the shade Wild Child on a damp brush to apply that kind of above the previous shade. I didn't want to cover it up completely, but I did want to get some shine, like somewhere between that matte burgundy and the that darker periwinkle above it. And then I used the shade Dreamer also on a damp brush to highlight the inner corner. This product, it is really old, and I got kind of frustrated with it because I kept trying to apply it and just nothing would come out of the container. It was just dried up. Just not good. This stuff is just not good. Okay, yeah, that's as much as I'm gonna deal with that. And here I'm using a burgundy liquid liner. This is something I got in a holiday set a long time ago. So I don't think you can get it anymore, but there are some other burgundy liners out there that you can get. I know L'Oreal has one. And here I'm using Duo Lash Glue and some of these large glitter sparkles, or glitter, star-shaped glitter from NYX. trying to move that star up. I placed it lower than I wanted, and it just was stuck at that point, so. Okay, well. And I'm taking this golden glitter from the Tati Beauty Texture Neutrals palette. This is a self-adhering glitter. This palette isn't available anymore, but the glitters are really, really similar to the ColourPop pressed glitters. Most of the ColourPop ones I have are larger in size, but they're very similar in the way they apply. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one.